Good evening, YouTube. This is a special edition tonight. And this place looks familiar. We're right here on Broader Road, Columbia, South Carolina. And of course, we are taking, if you've seen my other video just a few minutes ago, we were on Broader Road. Alright with you guys. It's a humanitarian effort. We're going to see what's going on with this young man. If he's still behind the old RVs. Looked like he was living there. Sad situation. I forgot to give him my number. Somewhere. It's been a while since I've been over here. Yeah, I'm the guy holding my phone out the window like an idiot or a big shot, like my dad would say. You think you're a big shot. You want to be a big shot. Well, here comes Arby's up here on the right. Of course, the sign is gone. Oh my God! No more Arby's was here when I was in high school. I ate lunch here in 1983, 1982, and we're going to the drive-thru tonight at Arby's. Hopefully they're still open. No, just kidding. I know they're closed. I worked here for a long time. I spent a lot of time on this Arby's. Luckily, at least they're still turning the lights on at night. Hopefully this guy is not back here. Looks like he's gone. This stuff is still there. Torn up the bricks. Look at that. Signs, pretty rough. Poor guy. Well, we tried. Maybe I'll come back another time. And maybe I'll come back tomorrow morning. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Really sad. It's abandoned Arby's. More of abandoned. It's going to be Arby's tonight.